fish-free.
Again, thinking of innovation. You know that the higher the protein level, the higher the enzymes.
You guys are all almost experts at flavour descriptions.
You take the female and the male parts of the plant together, you make the cross.
We are in Antwerp at Boortmalt, attending this 4 days training course on malt. Very interesting for me. I'm new in the topic. I joined my company only 6 months ago, so it's a very good insight for future projects and for work.
You know, first of all, it was the first time I really saw how the barley is growing. I could feel the field.
I think it gives a very nice overview, not only on the specifics on which we interact with Boortmalt as a company, but also more on the complexity of the whole process, the different things that can go wrong and where the focus of the supplier is compared to the brewing company.
What I have learned so far in this course is the use of regenerative farming, where they use lesser fertilizer. It makes the soil healthier, and hopefully it's a very good source of sustainability.
I think for me it was actually learning a bit more about just what happens in the whisky process, because obviously we use malt for beer and that's all we hear about, but it's really nice to understand the different uses of malt, and obviously I'm Scottish, so that's another interest of mine as well.
We pour it in with our malt. Then you can use one of these to make it nice and homogeneous. So we're leading the malt revolution.